Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.